how did you make the jump from studying at university into your own startup?
So it started for me with my master's thesis. In my master's thesis, I developed the concept and the first prototype of the drone we are using today. And co-founder Mina was my supervisor there. And then after my study, we started with the company Voliro. It's definitely a very exciting time. So it's also challenging. There's many things that you have to handle, which you don't have to do as a student. But it's very exciting, and it's also nice to push the technology from the lab to the market and not like leave them in the lab.